everyone! Today we're learning about something super useful and super cool. The breadboard. A breadboard is like a playground for electronics. It lets you build circuits without any soldering, which means no glue, no heat, no mess. Just plug and play. You can think of it like digital Lego. You put your components in, move them around, and connect wires to make lights blink, buzzers beep, and sensors come alive. Inside the breadboard, there are tiny metal clips that help electricity flow between the holes. So when you plug in an LED, a resistor, or a sensor, everything connects like magic. The best part? If you make a mistake, no problem. Just pull out the wire and try again. Breadboards are made for experimenting, learning, and having fun while you build. Engineers, students, and creators everywhere use breadboards to test ideas fast. Before building a real project, they try it out right here on the breadboard. So get ready! With a breadboard, you can explore circuits, test cool ideas, and bring your electronic creations to life, all with just a few simple connections. Let's start building something amazing!